Hello.
Found stool.
Hello.
Oh, we're recording.
We started. You know what? Don't be mean.
I'm being vlogged.
Oh. Okay. Guess what we're doing today?
We're gonna make blizzards.
Yes. We haven't done this in a bit.
No.
I've never done this actually.
So, okay. Fill blue bowl with crushed or shaved ice and fill up to the fill line. Do not use large chunks of ice. Do not fill to the rim.
What's the fill line?
I think it's just that line.
It's just that. It doesn't say fill on it.
Well, we're guessing it's the fill line.
Well.
We're gonna fill it up with
Yeah.
ice. Boop. We have ice. Okay, next step. Not like that. Okay.
But you don't like the next step?
No, we both said next step at the same time.
Oh.
Okay, next step. Pour cold water evenly into the blue bowl up to the fill line. The blue bowl. The blue bowl.
How much?
Up into the fill line.
Oh.
We'll be right back. We have water.
I stubbed my toe. Okay.
Okay, next. Alright, pour 3/4 cup of salt evenly over ice. Remove cup covering canister, wash cup and set aside. Oh, we put a cup over canister.
Why didn't we do that before?
That's stupid.
I'm sorry, this has pepper in it. Okay, do I just sprinkle it?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
3/4 cup.
Well, this is gonna take a bit. Are you sure it said salt and not sugar?
Of salt evenly over ice. It doesn't have to be exactly 3/4 cup. We're gonna need more than that.
Oh, it just fell in the water. You think it's good now?
No.
How about...
We'll say it's good now.
Okay. You need more salt in your salt shaker.
I see that. Just dump the extra into there.
Perfect. Next. Next.
You can take it off now.
Oh.
In a separate container, combine 3/4 of the half and half cream, 1 packet of vanilla dessert mix. Stir to dissolve. We'll be right back.
Yeah. Fun.
Also, we're not following the recipe because we don't have any of these packets because this thing's like a decade old.
This came out in 2013.
Probably before
2010. I don't know. The recipe we're going off of
It's from
was
2013. So that's a good 6 years old. And some of this thing's even older and we could not find any packets for it.
Yeah, I just put the sugar in there.
We're also just kind of guesstimating this because...
Okay, it needs a little... Do you need salt in there or no?
No.
Okay, now what?
Well, you had the recipe. Do we need salt in there or no?
Well, it said a pinch of it.
A pinch of salt? Then put a pinch of salt.
It's a pinch.
That's not enough for a pinch.
That's a pinch.
That's a pinch.
Okay,
All right.
what's next? Okay, so you know how ice and water mix together and it just forms one big ball of ice? Well,
I think that's the
folks.
point.
Okay, then what you do is
Pour
you
it in.
take this. Can I put this in one of those cups? Actually, I'll put it in here.
Don't put it in a cup because we're gonna eat out of these.
Did you wash those?
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember earlier?
Yeah, so I pour this in here. And then you take
The mixing.
paddle. The teeth are down.
I think it's not open, is it?
No, it would have come out if it was. And then you put this in here. Like that. Turn it. Put this up here. And then we do this for 10 minutes.
Which will not be in the video.
Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. What's happening?
I want to be in the frame.
Sorry.
Okay, it's been 10 minutes.
We're gonna check on it. If I can open it, that'd be grand. Nothing!
Still putty.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. No, okay. Let's check.
I mean, it's cold, man.
It's real cold, but it's not doing anything.
Is it our recipe?
Bro, I sure hope not. Do you think there's something in the thing that can... Maybe it's just stupid. Maybe we're just stupid.
I don't know.
This isn't working.
It's gonna be a fail. It's gonna be our first fail on this channel.
No. What, like nailed it or failed it? Or lemon or made? Or dope or nope?
Link to their script.
Okay.
Channel in the description.
I'm kind of depressed.
It's been 10 minutes and
like literally it's been 10 minutes.
you can't see it, but I will open it up and show you. This is
It's
it.
so
It's a puddle.
liquidy.
It's legit liquid. So like, is it just an old blizzard maker, or did we mess it
I
up?
don't know because it's supposed to like aerate.
Yeah. You can't find the packets anymore. We tried. Should we taste it as liquid?
Can we? Yeah, let's just go for it.
Should we taste
This will
it
be a
liquid?
fail.
Okay, so
It's really cold. We legit have half and half with sugar and salt.
it's
Oh, and vanilla. Okay, well,
we're gonna try it.
cheers.
It does taste like a melted blizzard.
It does. I mean, maybe if it just blizzardied up, then it would be
If it
fun.
blizzarded up. This was a fail.
I don't know what else to say.
Yeah, we're really old, like, to be doing this, and we couldn't do it correctly. Well, we tried.
Yeah. You know, we're just
Keeping it real.
Bye.